Early this morning, in Muyinga province, there have been some gunshots around the military camp, and it was around 2:30, and military were in the usual mission of patrol. One have fixed them, shooting toward the military camp. Population and other forces have been alerted, and they cut off all routes from Muyinga, where they make a patrol, common patrol, joint patrol, in order to see those elements which were disturbing that area. The purpose of that was maybe the stealing of that group in the population, and they have met the patrol of our forces. So as a result, right now is about 4 guns seized, 2 grenades, and 5 suspects have been arrested, transferred to police for further investigations. Detail may change after, and we are available for other communication if is needed.